There you go. Albert's got the right idea. Drive the truck all the way up.
Morning everybody and welcome to the RC Adventure Channel. This is day 10 of the Alaska to Florida road trip. You haven't missed anything the last few days, just been border crossing, fixing a bent axle, you know, uneventful stuff like that. I am in Chehalis, Washington now. This is Happy here to say hi. Can you say hi, Happy? No? You're not going to say hi now? Okay, well, yeah, well, let's see. I'm surrounded by plants, animals. I hear ducks and chickens in the background. My allergies are beating the crap out of me, hence the mask here. You know, I don't wear these for style. Yeah, that's it. What are we growling about? Huh? You see something over there? Something you want to kill? Happy's our resident mouser. But here to explain what else is going on here, and you know what makes this farm behind me so unique is my brother Derek. So I'll turn it over to you.
Hi there. So this is my family's farm. We started it about 7 years ago. We call it a simpler past homestead, and we're a human scale micro farm, perhaps might be the best way to describe us. We grow under an acre, and we're growing vegetables for farmers markets primarily, as well as doing baked goods, sourdough breads and such. And we work with almost entirely hand tools, and we've built this place kind of from an empty pasture on up.
Oh, okay. Sounds pretty darn cool. Of course, you know, the one thing about all farms is there's a lot of work to do, so I think you've got some bread to bake, and I'm going to enlist the help of some kiddos, and we're going to go do some farm work with the RC trucks. So, what do you say? Let's get to it.
All right, so first mission, we're going to feed the pigs. To do that, I've taped half a Dixie cup to the top of each truck. I can put a whole Dixie cup in there that's full of pig food, and we're going to drive it on over there and feed them. Sound good, you guys?
Yep.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. All right, let's go fill those cups up. Line the little trucks up. There we go. All right, here.
Baby, tiny.
All right, let's fill her up. Well, halfway. Go about halfway. Put a little bit in each of the smaller trucks. Not too much. That's good. That's good. We don't want to overload the trucks. They don't carry a whole lot of weight. One more truck to fill. Yeah. All right. That should be good. You guys ready?
Yep.
You ready? All right. So remember, we go at the pace of the little trucks. Let's go. There we go. There's the fence. All right, Nathan, you gonna disarm the electric fence for us? There's the pigs. You gonna say hi, pigs? All right, there we go. We put it in the bowl. There you go. Albert's got the right idea. Drive the truck all the way up. The pigs are like, what is that little noisy thing? There we go. All right, better back up, Albert. The pigs are coming. The pigs are coming. Oh, whoa, don't go in that hole. I don't think we want pig poop and pee all over the tires. That looks nasty. All right, we got some well-fed pigs, you guys.
Drive on through.
There we go. Good job, good helper, Nathan. Everybody got everything?
Yep.
Got all their stuff? All right, good. Nathan, you can arm the fence again. All right, let's drive back.
Looks like the battery died.
Brian's battery died. Too much playing before doing all the work, huh, Brian? There we go, a couple of battery swaps. And we are back on the road, back to work, right? All right, you guys. All right, so next one, we're gonna go feed the chickens, right?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay, so let's fill up our trucks. Fill up our Dixie cups. Well, half-ish, and then maybe a little less than half. There you go. There you go, William's gonna do it, all right.
I hope I didn't get the wrong food.
No, that's the right one, pretty sure.
Okay, good.
Hopefully we didn't just kill a bunch of farm animals. All right, you guys ready? Let's go feed some chickens. The cross-country shortcut. Oh, don't roll over there. Uh-oh, we spilled some. We spilled. It's all right, I think I rescued about 90% of it. All right, Nathan, go ahead. Open her up. Go on in. Try not to terrorize the chickens too bad. All right, close her up, Nathan. All right. There we go. All right, let's feed them.
We're supposed to feed them back.
Oh, Brian, you got to spread it around. We got some happy chickens there. All right, hey, you guys, hold on. You gotta look for eggs.
Egg time?
Go for eggs. Look for the eggs. We gotta check for eggs while we're here.
Where's the little chicken door?
No, we don't go in there. Don't drive in there. Don't drive the trucks in there. You guys just go in there and look for eggs like you normally do. All right, where are the eggs? Go look for some eggs. We got any eggs?
Right here.
You got one? Hey, look, there's an egg. Awesome. All right, any other eggs?
Hi, Balkans.
Keep looking.
Outside.
Any more? Was that it?
Yep.
That's it. All right, well, one egg's better than no eggs. Come on, Brian.
I got nothing in my car.
All right, we gotta be careful. We don't want to drop our eggs, right?
There's nothing in my truck.
That's okay. Open, go. All right, there we go. Oh, careful there, Brian. All right, you guys. So hey, since we just took care of the chickens. So since we're right here, we got our compost right here. So we're gonna grab some compost, and then there's a plant over there that needs some compost too. So William, your truck's got the egg, so you're hauling valuable cargo. So that's your responsibility there. Don't drop the egg, all right? Brian and Albert, you guys, your cans or your cups are empty. So let's load them up, okay? Here, I'll do it. There we go, just a little bit since we don't haul a whole lot. All right, let's get trucking.
No.
Yep, now we gotta go feed some plants. Right there where Albert is. All right, you guys, right there, spread it around as even as you can.
This one? That's not a live plant.
That's good. All right, that's good.
Like that.
Here, hey, William, what you picking there? Can we see them?
Raspberries.
The raspberries, huh? They look nice and ripe. Are they good? They're good. All right. This is our little candy snack here on the farm, right? Fresh raspberries right off the plant. The only reason you can do this is because we don't use those pesticides and herbicides and other toxic crap that you got to wash off. You can eat them straight off the plant now. Albert, so tell me, how do you know when a raspberry is ready to go? How do you know when it's ripe and ready to eat?
So all I have to do is just slightly tug it and it should come off. And it has to be dark.
Okay, so it's got to be dark red, and if you just slightly tug it and it falls right off, then we know it's good to go. Awesome. Are they good raspberries? Uh-huh. Look at that smile. Give it about 5 minutes and there won't be a single good raspberry left, huh? You'll have eaten them all. Back up to the farmhouse, hauling precious cargo in the Jeep. All right, we gotta take the egg to the kitchen, right? Let's bring the eggs in. All right. All right, everybody. Everybody inside, anybody in here, look legal. We're on camera. Where do the eggs go? Oh, the eggs go in the bucket there?
I'm gonna put it there.
All right, eggs in the bucket along with, looks like 3 or 4 others. Cool. So we got ourselves an omelet for breakfast. So at some point here, I stopped paying attention to what William was doing with his RC car, or mine that I loaned him, and this is what we've come up with.
Yeah, it looks like a junk-made car. With wheels.
He's disguised it with a Kleenex box and part of a Dixie cup. Goofball. Well, hey, if you ever wondered what it was like to herd cats, that was it. That was a whole lot of, you hold on, you catch up, you don't open that yet. Hey, no, I need to get that on video. But it's all right. It's always a lot of fun playing with the nephews. And you know, if you had as much fun watching that as I did making it, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. The subscribe button will show you more content like this, and that bell icon will let you know when my next video is up and ready to go. Till next time though, I gotta hit the road. So catch you on the next video.